As Utah continues to vaccinate thousands of residents each day, some who are not yet eligible are hoping to take advantage of unused doses.
Fox 13's John Franke explains why these vaccine hunters are creating a burden on some of Utah's pharmacy partners.
Pharmacists are healthcare heroes. With each shot they give, they bring the communities one step closer to herd immunity in the fight against COVID-19.
Our pharmacists are tremendous and deserve so much praise.
But along with administering vaccines, they're taking on another task. Phone calls from customers who may not yet be vaccine eligible, asking if any unused doses are available.
We do not keep a waiting list, and we ask that customers do not call and ask if there's excess doses available. Rather, just go online and try to schedule an appointment, because we do have a process in place to ensure that vaccine gets used.
Aubriana Martindale with Smith says the vaccine hunting calls have been overwhelming. Smith's has a process for unclaimed doses. First, they'll contact patients who are set to pick up a prescription that week and prioritize them based on age. If the pharmacy can't find a patient, Smith's will reach out to employees currently eligible under the state's guidelines.
So we do have an internal process implemented to ensure that we don't waste a single COVID-19 vaccine.
Harmon's pharmacies have also received a high volume of calls.
If people call during the week, we're not saying, hey, come in, at 9 o'clock, maybe we'll have a dose for you. We're not doing that.
Instead, the Utah-owned grocer has a standby list for their patients who are vaccine eligible but are having a tough time finding an appointment.
We don't want to have a list of 500 people that are, 25, 30 years old. That doesn't seem very productive.
The Utah Department of Health tells me they, quote, don't have any guidance for pharmacies on how to handle these calls, end quote. A response to an email added, if providers have leftover doses at the end of the day, they should do what they can to ensure those doses aren't wasted, even if that means vaccinating people outside of the current eligibility groups. Neighborhood pharmacies are now juggling an expanded workload.
We're not just doing vaccinations, we're also caring for our patients with their regular prescriptions.
Harmons and Smith say they can vaccinate between 4 to 8 people per hour, each shot a key step to crushing the pandemic.
Exciting to hear how many of our customers want to get the vaccine. They're thrilled that it's becoming available, and it's the best defense against mitigating the spread of COVID-19.
If you want a vaccine and you're eligible, the best way to get one is to schedule an appointment online at a local pharmacy, health department, or healthcare provider. We have those links on our website. We also receive statements from Walgreens and Walmart on their procedures for any unused doses. You can read those at fox13now.com as well. In South Jordan, John Franke, Fox 13 News, Utah.